I hope you're doing well and let's do our makeup together today. So I brought all my makeup products here. Let me clip up my hair. Starting with foundation. As I'm filming this, Christmas is already over. I hope you guys, whether you celebrate Christmas or not, had a great time with your friends and families. It's the end of the year, let's enjoy it and hope for more great things to come next year. I wanted to film some festive makeup looks, red lip makeup looks and other videos, but I couldn't for the last week and a half or so. My forehead was busy growing a new forehead. Last week I got like the biggest breakouts I've had in years, and there was like 4 really big huge bumps that was also red on my forehead. It was also pain to touch and I really hated to have that during Christmas. Still recovering, but yeah, let's do a cute look together today. I'm going to use this new kind of foundation puff I got. They've been quite popular. I've seen a lot of Chinese and Japanese beauty influencers use it. It's thick and they call it marshmallow powder puffs. And blend out the foundation. It's just really fluffy to press it against the skin, so I like it. I also like the size and the thickness of it. My skin everywhere else on my face is doing great, just the forehead is a big mess. The lighting is very hard to control today. It's very sunny today, but the light only hits few spots, everywhere else is shadowed. What do you guys think? Is this better? I closed the curtain and turned on this light and the ring light behind you. So, do you guys celebrate Christmas and did you have a good time? I got to spend a lot of time with my family and friends and it was very fun. We played some mini games, ate a lot of food. I think I gained a lot of weight I need to lose. I'm going to use some concealer. I have naturally dark areas under my eyes, as you can see, and then putting some on the recovering monster pimples. I got some very nice presents as well as bought presents for my friends, and I got to go out shop with friends together for the holiday season. It was very fun, I had a great time. And there's a new bakery opened by us with delicious pastry, and we stopped there and ate a lot of nice stuff too. You know what I love about Christmas? Cinnamon desserts and cinnamon drinks. I love cinnamon, and I also have a cinnamon candle in my room. Actually, I should light it up. My best friend came over and she brought me some makeup gifts, like brand new makeup as well as used makeup. We like to exchange makeup a lot. If you have like a makeup item in your collection for quite a few months or years, you might get really bored of it, but someone else might find it really interesting. So that's what we like doing. We exchange some of our old makeup products with each other sometimes. Let me fill in my brows and show you guys the new makeup products I got. This is a $3 brow pencil from E.L.F. It's really good and it's one of the most affordable items in my makeup collection, but I don't know if they still sell it for $3. Have you guys tried makeup products from E.L.F? Brush it out. I have really thick eyebrows, but they're not very pigmented, so I like to add some tint to them and then just brush it out to make it look natural. So my friend gave me 2 used lipsticks. This one is NARS Air Matte Lip Color in the shade Pink Up. I remember this was popular when it came out and I know it's a red color. Smells nice. I haven't used it yet, I haven't tried it, but I hope this will look good on me. I think so it will. And then we have this Bobbi Brown Lux lipstick. This is the shade Parisian Red. It seems to be a satin red color. And here's something exciting. So me and my friend, she was showing me videos on TikTok of people unboxing luxury brands advent calendars. And there was a girl who unboxed those beauty advent calendars from YSL and Dior, and she was roasting them for giving out so many samples and minis. And in the Dior unboxing, she pulled out mini lipsticks that they had in the advent calendar, and the shade was 999. And then my friend mentioned, oh, Dior 999 is so outdated already, nobody wants this anymore. And I said, I want. And then she said she have one she can give me, and it's a brand new Dior 999 lipstick, but it's an older version, so it's not refillable. We checked the producing date of this lipstick according to the batch code and was produced in May 2018. This poor lipstick is over 5 years old. Apparently someone gifted to her, but she never bothered to use it, so it was just staying in a corner of her drawer, and when I mentioned that I wanted it, she thought of it and she brought it to me. I said next time she got any makeup she don't like, she can bring it to me earlier. They don't have to sit in her drawer for 5 years. I'm going to start with eyeshadow, and I'm using the really beautiful Pink Swan palette from Flower Nose. I haven't peeled off the foil on the mirror yet. I've swatched the shades once, but I was really careful because I didn't want to ruin the embossment on it, but I realized that they would disappear anyways when I use them more often. I'm going to use this really light pink color as a base. So do you guys have fun makeup memories with your friends? My friend started wearing makeup many years before I did, so she had a lot more makeup products than I did. And back then I only had a few makeup products, so they was really precious to me. I wouldn't give them to anyone, I didn't want to share my stuff, and I just wanted to collect more. But throughout the years I got so much more makeup products, more than that I could ever finish, so I've become really generous. Whenever my friend sees something in my collection nowadays and she wanted, I let her have it. She could just grab any lipstick from my collection and let her have it, and I just gave away an eyeshadow palette to her. Because I know the chances of me finishing a makeup product all the way till the end and use it every single day is very small, so I want them to be loved by someone else who is interested in them. Taking the next shade, there is 2 matte pink colors. I think I'm going with a warm toned one. When I give my friends makeup products from my collection, I also free up more space. I can buy more new makeup products. Speaking of buying makeup, there's a new Wow Color store opening near us. Wow Color is like the Chinese Sephora. In there you can get all the Chinese makeup brands along with some Korean brands. We can get brands like Little Olden, Girl Cult, Judy Doll, Joycey, Flower Nose, Florette, Florazes, Kaleidos. I'm naming all the C beauty brands. I know, random. You can get all the Chinese makeup products here along with their newest collections. What I like about their Flower Nose area is that when you buy Flower Nose products there, you can get all the gifts they give you on the official Flower Nose site. Like when you buy 4 makeup products, you get a hand mirror and that. They have that in stores. It surprised me because normally when I buy makeup products from an official site, official store of a brand, they will give you little gifts that is like exclusive and other retailers won't have it. I like how generous Flower Nose is with their little gifts. It just makes you a bit happier every time you buy stuff from them. Now I want to take a bit of the dark brown shade here to darken up the outer corners. I have like this eyeshadow routine that I do with all kinds of eyeshadow palettes. I take the one closest to my skin tone, like the nude color as an all-over base, and then I take a colorful matte shade and put it all in my crease and all over the eyelid, and then I darken up the outer corners with the dark color, and then I put on shimmer on this part here, and that's basically my eyeshadow look. The dark brown is pigmented. Let me blend it out. I like the matte warm pink I used earlier. It blends into my skin tone very well. Okay, now let me swatch the 2 beautiful shimmers for you guys. We have this one that looks a bit more pink. Oh my, that is very pretty. When I swatched it, it was at night, so I couldn't see it as well as I can now. And then this one. These two shades are so beautiful. So we have a shimmery pink here that looks, it's gold when you look at it against the light. The pink when you look at it straight on, so it's like a multi-chrome. I wish I could show you guys the gold side of it. I'm sorry I'm lacking skills, but from this angle, this color is gold. Like this one's literally gold. I can't show it to you guys though. If you look at it this way, it's pink. If you look at it this way, it's like a peachy gold. And then we have this really beautiful sparkly, I don't know how to describe it, just a sparkling dream. I like to apply shimmers with my fingers, so I'm taking the pink one, putting it. I took the wrong one. I meant to put the pink one on my eyelid, but I took the shimmery light color instead. Never mind, I'm just going to put both shimmers on my eyes. And then the one that actually looks pink in the palette, it's the lighter shade I put in my inner corners. I think I should give myself some credit for being good at picking eyeshadow palettes. I made the right choice buying this one and the Kaleidos Escape Pod palette. I introduced my friend to the Flower Nose makeup products in my collection. She had never heard of them before and never seen these products, and she was amazed at how pretty they looked, and she asked me to recommend her products from Flower Nose. So I showed her some eyeshadow palettes and I told her I think this one will suit the best. I recommended her an eyeshadow palette from the Moonlight Mermaid collection, the one with the blue packaging, and inside there are many neutral brown shades. That's her kind of color, so I hope she will like it. Just doing a simple little wing. I want to flick it up a bit more. Do you guys struggle with eyeliner? Like a lot of time when you put on, you don't like the shapes, then you wipe it with a Q-tip and then you try it again? I used to do that a lot in my beginner days because I never knew how to do eyeliner back then. But even now I get unsatisfied with my eyeliner skills a lot of the times. I'm applying mascara to finish off the eye look. This is my favorite mascara from Clio. Speaking of Clio, I wanted to look online to order some new makeup products from Clio. I want to try out their cushion and other stuff. And I found the site oliveyoung where you can order Korean makeup beauty products, oliveyoung Global. I showed showed it to my friends when I want to order some Korean makeup together over the next days, and I checked out and they have an affiliate program where influencers can apply for a code, and you guys know what I tried. I heard it's difficult to get accepted by Oliveyoung Global's affiliate program, but I got it. I got that code and I told it to my friend and they was like, oh, you're such an influencer. So if you want to order Korean makeup products from Oliveyoung, you can use my code here, Palina05, to get 5% off. And the eye look is complete. What do you guys think? I really like the look, and I think you can't really tell it's pink because it's a warm tone pink. It blends into my skin really well. Let me take a bit of the Too Cool for School shading powder and contour my face. The thing is, whenever I wear warm tone pink colors, they tend to turn a bit orange on my eyes. Same with the 3CE Overtake palette. Speaking of that one, I just had to throw it away because I dropped it again and it just broke on me. That one was also gifted to me by my best friend. When she gave me the palette, it was already heavily used and 2 of the shades already hit pan, so I didn't get much use out of it. For blush, I'm taking this very beautiful Pink Swan blush from Flower Nose. This is the shade Romanticism. It's a really extremely light color that I'm going to use to set my makeup like a setting powder while also being a brightening powder and slightly blush at the same time, so it's like a 3-in-1 powder to set my makeup and add a little bit of pink color. I'm also going over my forehead with it like a setting powder would do. What's your guys' skin color undertones? And do you find it hard to find makeup products that suit you? Next, I'm going with another blush from Flower Nose. Look how pretty this is! This is the classic Ballet blush from the Strawberry Rococo collection. I also didn't peel the mirror foil on this. It's one of my newer purchases. It doesn't look like this in the camera, but it's actually darker than the other shade. And I tried it once, it was quite pigmented and added color to my cheeks. Putting it on my cheeks. My cheeks in person is actually very pink already, but you can't tell it really well on the camera. I also have a discount code with Flower Nose. If you guys want to get 5% off your Flower Nose order, you can use the code Palina and you'll get 5% off and I will earn a small commission. You can choose to use it or use someone else's code or don't use codes at all. I don't want to influence you guys to buy makeup. I hope that you get to buy whatever makeup products you want that will suit you and that you will love later, but don't make impulsive choices because you like the packaging of something. That's me, I do this, okay? I have wasted a lot of money buying makeup products I end up not liking because I like the packaging, and then give them away to my friends. So I can free up more spaces in my makeup collection to make more impulsive choices. But yeah, thank you guys for ordering makeup and thinking of me and using my code. I mentioned in my last video that people use my code to buy makeup, and I feel so unbelievably honored. I want to go with a bit of highlighter. I hit pan on this Fenty Beauty palette. I want to mix a little bit of this with this and then put it on my nose. I have a pretty flat nose bridge, so this will help my nose look more 3D, 3-dimensional. And now moving on to lips, I'm going to use a combo of lippies. As you can see, I bought them for their pink packaging. I think I rarely do lip combos. Have you ever seen a video of me where I did lip combos, like using more than one lip products? I can remember one. I'm going to start off with this matte pink lip cream. It's in the shade Strawberry Moon. Oh, here's the eyeshadow swatches still that I tried to wipe off earlier. Such a pretty pink, right? I got this really cute sweater and I've been really loving it. I wore it on Christmas Day. This lip cream smells like strawberry candy and I love it. I'm going to put some on. Don't want to make it too thick or I think I can't layer it up later. So I'm going to blow it out with my fingers. I have never tried these two together, so I don't know if it will look good, but I just thought I'd layer 2 pink products. And this is the finished look, everyone. Is it just me or does this look kinda elegant? It doesn't suit me. I tried covering the pimple with my hair, but it's a bit too long. I had a lot of fun doing my makeup look, talking to you guys and filming this video. I hope you guys have a great end of the year and have a great start for the new year as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye!